Yes, flow. Flow, flow, flow. Flow trail from the top of Eagle Bike Park. Yeah. This is my second run. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, good. Good flow, dude. Wow. Oh. Second run here. Oh yeah, I can already feel a lot more confident. But no goggles on because it's so dark. Oh shit! Oh! Yo! Oh! Yo! Oh! I got my street clothes on. Oh! Just the. Oh man, those are great! Yo! Sideways ramp! Oh, I lost my speed. Dropping in is right. Holy cow! Woo! Yes! Oh yeah, dude. I'm getting so comfortable with getting air. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, you're like, where does it go? Oh shit! You could fly off of that thing, man. Holy crap. Oh. Yeah, dude. Oh man. Whoa! Oh, so addicting. The air is so addicting. Once I could get my feet to stay on my pedals and land well. Oh my goodness. What fun. Oh, thanks, town of Eagle. Holy smokes. That is so fun. That's flow at Eagle Bike Park. Woo, Idaho. Oh, 2.5 minutes. Oh, great ride.